Durable cookie sheets. Heavy-duty construction of this bakeware set meets the demands of the busiest kitchens to keeping to baking, oven roasting and toasting for years. Set includes 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pans. Nonstick bakeware, nonstick inside and out. These cookie sheets by Farberware delivers great food release with quick cleanup so you can enjoy your baked or roasted goods quicker. High heat baking pan. The cookie sheets are oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the perfect temperature for most baking, oven roasting and toasting. Quality bakeware. These cookie pans and every other piece of Farberware bakeware dependably uphold a distinguished tradition of reliability, value and performance to keep you baking for years. Bake batch after batch of chocolate chip, lemon shortbread and oatmeal raisin cookies using the Farberware Nonstick Bakeware 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pan set. With every piece of sturdy and dependable bakeware, Farberware upholds the tradition of reliability, value and performance provided to generations of home bakers for more than a century. These durable cookie pans feature heavy-duty steel construction that reliably resists warping and heats evenly to brown beautifully and help reduce hot spots that can burn baked goods. Nonstick inside and out delivers great food release and makes cleanup quick, even after baking a gooey batch of caramel fudge cookies. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, these nonstick cookie pans make an ideal addition to the cake, muffin and specialty baking pans in the Farberware Bakeware collection. Double up your cookie pan count with the Farberware Nonstick Bakeware 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pan set. Top reviews from the United States. I paid like 40% of the normal price. I bought these on one of the lightning deals. I had never looked at them before but the holidays got me in the mood. I paid like 40% of the normal price. I love the brand. We always try to buy certain brands that we know will last a long time. I was right, these are made very well. They are very easy to wash and keep nice. They are perfect size for the frozen pizzas that we buy. Even if we burn the cheese to the pan, which we seem to do every single time, it is still easy to clean. It wipes right off. It has not rusted or had any grime. I hate it when baking sheets come out a different color or have sections that are different color. These are top-notch.